Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to register your COPI file node. So if we take a look at the Cornucopias Twitter, you can see here that there's a post. First off, 70% of the circulating file node NFTs have been registered. So this is your friendly reminder. You have 1 day left. So I believe this is before August 1st. That you should be registering your COPI file node if you have one. So I'm going to get into how you can pick one up if you've missed it, and also I will guide you on how you can register it as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and the reason you want to do this is because you can earn some passive income pretty easily. Okay, so you have 1 day left, and yeah, there's currently 77% going on right now. So if you do not own one, you guys can go to JPEG Store. You could also use the link tree, and I will have links for you guys to help you get situated there as well. So use this for registering. So if you want to pick one up, guys, go to JPEG Store. You want to type in Cornucopias file node access key. So if you go to the top left, you guys can just put COPI. Click enter, and then you can find it under collections. Okay, so pretty easy to do. So once you do that, you're going to see this access key, and the floor right now is 825. So for those of you that got in pretty early in the early sales, we're doing pretty good in terms of price point. So once these get bought up, I think the floor is going to get to like 1400, 1500 pretty swiftly. So I don't think once people start really earning rewards that these are going to be selling. So yeah, these are really cool in my opinion. So if you guys want to, not financial advice, pick one up and then register. Okay, so once you have one, currently there are no live sales that I know about. So you're going to do that, and then now you are going to register your file node. So to do that, you can use a link tree. I've got links for you. You're going to go to cornucopias.io. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. I also have tutorials to help you guys out. So guys, use this channel. If you type in file node, you guys will see videos on how to help yourself out. So I do have a tutorial on how to register your file node. It's like a 5-6 minute video. It's a step-by-step walkthrough. So if you want to know how to register, please watch that. If you're a little lost like Nemo or something, you guys could do it pretty simply. So how to mint, this is not available right now, but 7 months ago, that's what we were talking about. So yeah, use this as your guide. This will help you. I also suggest that you should create a player's account, because that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to register an account. I have a tutorial right here. So go under videos, search, and find the video that you need, and check out the other videos as well if you want. So once you are logged in, you can see here, Crypto Moose. This is my account here. So if you go to manage nodes, you will see the dashboard. Okay. So again, I have a tutorial. Go here, put register file node or just file node, and I show you right here how to register your Cornucopias file node. I will make this easy for you to do. So here you can see the balance, and what's important to remember too is that if you want to be earning rewards, if you want to be able to register, you need to also have COPI in your wallet. So connect your wallet. For example, if you only have one COPI file node, you're going to need 3,000 COPI held in that wallet as well to register. And then if you have two, you're going to need 6,000, then 9,000. Once you hit I believe it's 15,000 COPI. Okay, so once you have 15,000 COPI, then you can have like up to 10 or whatever the amount of file nodes are registered. Okay, so the real goal is to have 15,000 COPI, and then you can begin to add almost as many file nodes as you want. I believe up to, I think it's 50. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's something like that. Okay, so that's how you do it. And I just want to remind you guys that now's the last chance to really start, earning those nice rewards. So I think they did a great job here. This is, you can do it with the Cardano for the base side of things. So a lot of power to you there. Guys, use the link tree. If you have not yet, use code Moose for the Tangem wallet. Save 10% off. Just click through and go through the links. So here, get Tangem. It should already have code Moose set. If not, just type it in. So you have that. Also, there is a rewards calculator. So if it's cornucopias.io/nodes/rewards. We're going to refresh. So currently, I think this is pretty accurate too. It's already on there. 77% of the nodes are currently active, like registered. So it gives you an estimate of how much you can earn. So nodes sold, we're not even at 10,000. So I think this is accurate. Let's say we sell a couple more, team gets some. Let's say we're at 9,000 nodes. Let's assume that 82% are actually registered. And then let's say you have 8 like the Moose. That means that you will be earning almost 30,000 COPI per year. So yeah, you'd have to have, of course, 15,000. So again, like I said, right, it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then after 5, then you can do, I guess you can do quite a few. So, I mean, comment down below if you think the Moose should get 100 nodes. It's up to you guys. But I just wanted to mention that there is a rewards calculator. So guys, use the link tree. I will provide this in the description as well. Maybe I'll even add it to the link tree. That would look good, right? A nice little rewards calculator for you guys. I think that would be nice to have. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. Comment down below what you want to see in the next episode. Peace.